When you come and work, pay attention, the fire for blaze. The camera, yeah, the millions to one stage. Don't make me fly them, make you start this. Pay attention, what's the like, oh, attention.
Welcome back from the grave. So Tutti Frutti would do this so well right now. But right now we're going into one of the hottest videos right now. Stylo G, Call Me a Yardie.
Anytime we a party, so we have to big up the legend Bob Marley. Every phone anytime y'all call. Same so we both see Roberto Cavalli. Call me a yardie, call me a yardie. We love Benz and Beamers and Hardy. Call me a yardie, call me a yardie. We love Benz and Beamers and Hardy. We would have met anytime we a party, so we have to big up the legend Bob Marley. Every phone anytime y'all call. Same so we both see Roberto Cavalli. Call me a yardie, call me a yardie. We love Benz and Beamers and Hardy. Call me a yardie, call me a yardie. We love Benz and Beamers and we drink champagne when we a party. The girl them bubble up themselves and them born naughty. The farmer kung fu we no deal with karate. But so many one people and me come attack me. Cause we a yardie, cause we a yardie. I fight through rights like Marcus Garvey. Cause we a yardie, cause we a yardie. I fight through rights like Marcus Garvey. Girl hear me voice and I run like tsunami. She love me attitude, she tell me that she want a yardie. She a wine pony something like a Texas Harley. Take the Beamer, take the Benz, take the Lexus from me. Call me a yardie in a me John Gotti. We still a party all when we reach 40. Fly go America, me see some real yardie. They Africa with now your bingy a party. Japanese yardie, European yardie. Everywhere we turn, money earn, we a yardie. We are Jamaicans and we proud of we nation. But when we fly out them car, we a yardie. Call me a yardie, call me a yardie. We love Benz and Beamers and Hardy. Call me a yardie, call me a yardie. We love Benz and Beamers and Hardy. Benz and Beamers and Hardy. No girl no in at the club we not party. Give me the Hennessy we not drink no Bacardi. No Ben Sherman, me a man. Call me a yardie, call me a yardie. We love Benz and Beamers and Hardy. Call me a yardie, call me a yardie. We love Benz and Beamers and Hardy.
It's time for this week's Car Care Tip brought to you by Superior Parts Limited.
This Car Care Tip is brought to you by Superior Parts Limited, making Honda affordable. This week we give you a tip about caring for your tires. Tire balancing compensates for the weight of the tire and wheel assembly after the tire has been mounted. An unbalanced wheel can cause bouncing or wobbling and also cause stress on your vehicle. The correct weight is required to counterbalance the tires. This Car Care Tip is brought to you by Superior Parts Limited, making Honda affordable.
Before we go, let's check out my favorite part of the show, Pree Dis Top 10 charts. I wonder who's number one. Stick around to find out.
Without money, no gold can buy a company. No. Without money, you alone confess your love to me. Yeah. Without money, no gold can buy a company. No.
Hey yo, take a good look. Me sure something near me not the good book. No boy can't tell me some good look. A gal alone.
Why you gotta be so rude? Don't you know I'm human too? Why you gotta be so rude?
Oh my days. Siva, 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 Siva. Siva, 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 Siva. Silly Billy, some man a silly Billy. Done the money pan the girl and make a next man a kill them. Silly Billy, some man a silly Billy. Book a ticket it for the girl. She
A Miami Vice episode. We a star and a feel we show.
Your love is my love. I sing it from my heart, boy. I really love you. Clean like a whistle, oh, clean like a liquor whistle. Hey, me and my brother them good.
Never judge a book by its cover.
Never judge a book, never judge a book.
Take the time to read that book.
Back it up because my fat and my plumper. Make a catch and then my cock up my bumper. Show you the one where the man come back for. And me know him now live. Now pop down for call the contractor. My body good make a man jump up. Now appreciate it I get a nut factor. Cause I be wine the bed. One sweet like a Moscato.
And that's how we end this week's show. I'm your host, Michaela Leeanna. Stay tuned next week for the latest in entertainment and lifestyle in Jamaica. Until next week, I'm out.
Turn these girls on their back. Go on over, right up.